Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Group 8 from the English for Academic Purpose, taught by Miss Syifa Fadila Hamid. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asti Zaratul Ilmi. And on behalf of my team,
And it's me, Agnia Ramadhani.
hello.
My name is Hunafa Koneter Rasyada.
Today, we'll be presenting a very relevant topic about communication ethics in the online environment. As digital communication becomes increasingly dominant, understanding ethical behavior online is essential to prevent misinformation, deceptions, and harm. To begin our discussion, let me explain the purpose of our presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce of concept the communication ethics, analyze a real-life case involving unethical digital practice, and provide recommendations to promote safer online communication. Now, let's move on to the next sections where Agnia will explain the definition of communication ethics.
Communication ethics in the online environment refers to responsible digital behavior based on accuracy, honesty, respect, transparency, and accountability. It also involves avoiding harmful actions such as spreading false information, violating privacy, impersonating others, and manipulating digital content. This ethical principle ensures that digital communication remains safe, trustworthy, and respectful.
Before we move on the case study, let us look at a statistical overview that reflects the reality of unethical digital communication today. According to Cambridge's 2025 national report, 65% of mobile users in Indonesia receive scam message at least once a week.
And the total reported losses have reached 7 trillion Indonesian rupiahs, with only 5.4% successfully recovered. Thank you. Moving forward, I would like to invite Hunafa, who will explain the case study that we analyze.
This case is taken from CNN Indonesia report in 2025. It involves an 18-year-old goalkeeper from Bandung, Rizky Nurfadila, who received a fake online football recruitment message. He was promised a selection event in Medan with communication that seems very professional. However, instead of being taken to Medan, he was flown to Cambodia and forced into exploitative labor. Communication, including message, identity claims, and instructions, occurred through digital platforms. This case shows the dangerous consequences that arise when digital communication is used unethically. Thank you. Now, let's proceed to the next part, which will be explained by Asti.
In analyzing this case, we identified several ethical violations. Number 1, identity deceptions. The perpetrator used a fake identity to gain trust. Number 2, intentional misinformation. The recruitment details were fabricated. Number 3, low digital literacy, which contributed to the victim's vulnerability. Number 4, and the unchecked speed of digital communication, which allow false information spread quickly. These elements show how the absence of ethics in online communication can directly endanger individuals. This brings us to conclusion, which will be delivered by Agnia.
In conclusion, this case demonstrates that communication ethics is more than just a guideline. It is a real protection for real people. When transparency is ignored, When identity is fake and when information is not verified, the digital world becomes unsafe and unpredictable. This case teaches us something important. A single message can save someone, but a single message can also destroy someone. This is why ethical digital communication is not optional, it is essential. The internet may be virtual, but the consequences of unethical communication are painfully real. Now, let's move on to the next section, which will be explained by Hunafa.
To prevent similar incidents, we provide several recommendations. 1. Strengthen the digital literacy programs for young people. 2. Improve identity verification on online platforms. 3. Educate communities about online safety and provide government-backed channels to verify online job offers. These steps can help ensure that digital communication becomes safety and more ethical for everyone.
That concludes our presentation. We hope this material reminds all of us how important it is to think before we share, verify before we trust, and communicate responsibly in every digital interaction. Because, as we have seen today, even one unethical message can change someone's entire life, for better or for worse. May we avoid misinformation and guide us to use technology wisely. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.